Hello guys, today we will discuss a wonderful project that is Kaifu NFT non-fungible token swap. Kaifu NFT initially aimed to solve six important current challenges: lack of liquidity in the NFT market, lack of lending opportunity for NFT artists, lack of proper use of NFT stacking, lack of utility use cases, lack of NFT monetization as an in-the-game item for NFT holders, and lack of cross-chain usage of NFTs. So let's start the core features of Kaifu NFT. Gamified DeFi NFT lending Kaifu market. Gamified DeFi is a game-changing NFT social platform. Kaifu is a DeFi protocol on Binance Smart Chain with the qualified tokenomic yield farming and non-fungible tokens, trading and connecting artists with the world. The ecosystem is built around NFT gaming and tokenomic that will be benefit the end user. NFT lending is when artists need fund. Kaifu is world's first project that offer lending up to $1,000 against NFT as collateral. This can make artists' life more efficient when they ran out of funds or gas fees. Trade non-fungible Kaifu market trade non-fungible token or stake to earn more, where people can buy, sell, exchange peer-to-peer lending and borrow peer-to-peer through an exchange like a traditional exchange. More feature are non-NFT goes seamless Kaifu DEX, where user can use automated market AMM mechanism to exchange between FTs and NFTs on Binance Smart Chain, but very soon it will also support cross-chain like Ethereum, Polkadot and Matic. So when artists need an NFT lending program, Kaifu is the world's first project that offer lending up to $1,000 against NFT as collateral. This can make artists' life more efficient when they run out of funds, gas fees. However, for now only creator or collector with good historical record and can enjoy the offer up to $1,000 for cheapest fees as low as 1.2%. The primary goal for the feature is to help original artists around the world who needs some quick funds. However, this can be changed later by the community voting. So NFT can, unlike FT, stake FT. Kaifu users are able to stake NFT to earn more NFT or Kaifu token. The yield farming program is designed in user favor so that user can earn passive profit by providing NFT and FT liquidity for the services of the Kaifu market ecosystem. Community love Kaifu reward. To increase user interaction in the Kaifu ecosystem, there will be lot of reward system for users such as trading reward, raffle, airdrop, lottery and NFT launchpad. Tokenomics. So you can see here the token name NFTC, contract as is here, chain is Binance Smart Chain, total supply is 1 billion NFTC, token distribution community 50%, DEX liquidity 19%, pre-sale 12.7%, development 10%, developers 2.3% and airdrop will be 1%. Here you can check out Kaifu roadmap, Q1 2021, Q2 2021, Q3 and Q4, and you can see the pre-sale NFT terms and condition. So this is a good project and you can invest in this project. This will be very productive and will be more beneficial for your investment. Thanks for watching my channel.